It will be 3,000 times more expensive than XRP. People who are interested in XRP or who currently possess XRP tokens should make it a priority to stay current on the most recent news regarding the cryptocurrency itself. Acquaint yourself with the most recent XRP news and the potential impact it could have on the value of the coin. In today's video, I will provide you with answers to these questions as well as key information that has the potential to have a positive impact on the pricing of XRP. If you want to get the most out of this movie, you should make sure that you watch it all the way through because I put a lot of effort into preparing it. Let's take a look at the chart and see how XRP performed on April 20th before we move on to our first topic of discussion together. Do we need to? Quickly, if you want to participate in our daily giveaway of 50 XRP, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and post a comment with the hash XRP is Kane. All the best. At the moment, the price of XRP is $0.51. In the past 24 hours, it has been exchanged for a total of $1.4 billion. The price of XRP has increased by 3.1% during the past 24 hours, while it has decreased by 5.9% over the past week. While there are currently 48 billion XRP coins in circulation, there are a total of 100 billion XRP coins in circulation. There are a total of 100 billion XRP coins in circulation. Take into consideration that the pricing shown here might have shifted by the time you watch this movie. The following is not financial advice, and investing money in the cryptocurrency market is a risky endeavor. Therefore, before investing money in the market, you should conduct your own research. Okay, let's go see the movie. In light of the fact that the dispute between Ripple and the SEC is likely to be heard by the Supreme Court, the future of XRP remains questionable. There is a possibility that the dispute between Ripple and the SEC in the United States will be taken all the way to the Supreme Court. The judicial battle between the two sides over how to classify crypto assets is likely to go all the way to the Supreme Judicial, according to someone who used to be in head of the department that deals with cryptocurrencies at the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. A clash with the Supreme Court is on the horizon. A case concerning XRP is on the verge of being heard by the Supreme Court of the United States. This is the viewpoint of Ledin Stewart. He was once in charge of the crypto assets and cyber unit of the Securities and Exchange Commission, and he is currently assisting in the process of filing charges against the Bitcoin exchange Coinbase. The Securities and Exchange Commission views the buying and selling of tokens as stocks, but not the assets that they are based on, according to Stewart, who was participating in a panel discussion at Columbia Business School. As stated by the most senior attorney for the Securities and Exchange Commission, regard to the dispute that took place between the government and a business in San Francisco, it has come to light that Ripple is planning to petition the Supreme Court to provide answers to a number of very significant questions about the characteristics that define a cryptocurrency as a security. Stewart was under the impression that there would be a definitive response to the inquiry at that point. The chief executive officer of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, has stated that the business would cherish the opportunity to take its case against the Securities and Exchange Commission to the Supreme Court, stating that we are in it until the end. Are Ripple in the lead? In spite of the fact that Ripple prevailed in a significant dispute against the SEC in July 2023, the regulatory body is still planning to impose a staggering $2 billion fine on the business. It is also possible that the Securities and Exchange Commission would contest the ruling that Judge Analyst Sartoris made in July, in which he stated that the automated sale of XRP to individual investors did not meet the criteria for securities. In October of the previous year, the Securities and Exchange Commission decided to withdraw all allegations against Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, who is the executive chairman of Ripple. The company that deals in blockchain payments achieved yet another significant victory. The Securities and Exchange Commission appears to be under a great deal of pressure now that Ripple has prevailed in two significant court challenges. Additionally, if the case is taken all the way to the Supreme Court, Ripple has a good chance of winning against the defendant. In November of the previous year, Stuart Alderati, who serves as the chief legal officer for Ripple, made the observation that the Supreme Court has denied the security on multiple occasions over the course of the past few years. It is possible that the decision of the XRP case will have repercussions for the whole cryptocurrency space. Should the courts decide in favor of Ripple, it would serve as a significant precedent for other crypto assets, which would swiftly result in an increase in the number of inventions and the expansion of the market. XRP will experience a significant surge in value if the lawsuit is resolved favorably, which is an important point to note. The lawsuit was filed 3 years ago, and ever since then, it has been in a downward spiral. A number of individuals who are interested in the cryptocurrency market believe that if Ripple were to prevail in the case, the price of XRP may reach its all-time high of $3.40 in a matter of hours. Please show your support for the station by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Moreover, make sure you don't forget to stay attentive in order to avoid missing anything. Instantaneously, let's view the remaining portion of the video. According to analysts, the value of XRP might increase by between 1,000% and 3,000%. Even if the market has been experiencing a decline as of late, leading experts continue to have a positive outlook regarding the future of XRP. Anticipate a significant increase in the cost of goods and services. These analysts include XRP as one of them. They believe that the price will increase by the range of 1,000% to 3,000%. Opinions of an experienced XRP. XRP stated on X earlier this month that in the worst possible scenario, the price of XRP may hit $0.44. For his description of this level was that it was the door of Valhalla below $0.44. The fact that this prognosis was accurate the previous week lends credence to the analyst's optimistic outlook at the moment. With his most recent forecast, he anticipates a minimum increase of 1,000%, which may propel XRP past $5 in the not-too-distant future. It is even more impressive that the expert has set a greater ceiling, considering that an increase of 3,000% would bring XRP very near to $15. Forecasts of growth over the long term too. In the event that a widespread bull market occurs, XRP believes that the price of XRP will increase even more. XRP might be worth anywhere from $10 to $22, according to the graph that the expert presented. Using historical patterns as a basis for making this bullish prediction, XRP is not the only one who has this outlook on things. Some analysts, such as Dark Defender, are of the opinion that the recent events involving XRP are not only the result of a coincidence. His analogy is that it is like having a deja vu that transports us back to the year 2017 when the Bitcoin industry was going through significant shifts. Taking into consideration the chart that the analyst presented, he believes that the price will increase to $5.80 the short term. Some others, such as Javan Marks, believe that there is a possibility of a significant increase of 61,000%, with prices reaching as high as $288. Considerations that have an impact on the potential value of Ripple. There is a wide range of factors that influence the price potential of Ripple. The litigation that the SEC is currently pursuing against Ripple is still highly significant. If the issue is resolved in a favorable manner, there is a considerable chance that the value of the cryptocurrency will increase significantly. Should the outcome be favorable, it would eliminate the risk and increase the confidence of investors in XRP. While this is going on, an increasing number of financial institutions, such as Tranglo, are beginning to accept XRP. This draws attention to spending that occurs across international borders and demonstrates how it might be utilized in the real world. When there are more people utilizing XRP, it may indicate that people have faith in its pace and capacity to grow, which may result in an even greater demand for the cryptocurrency. Alterations in the various laws of the world may potentially have an impact on the future of XRP. It is possible that investors and institutions would be more interested in significant markets if the regulations were more transparent. Considerations to take into account. It is essential to keep in mind that expert forecasts are nothing more than educated estimates, despite the fact that they are frequently accurate. Investors should carefully consider all of the information they can discover and determine the level of risk they are ready to accept before entering the cryptocurrency market. This is because the cryptocurrency market is notorious for its high degree of volatility. Also in today's news, these important signals indicate that there may be a rally in the price of XRP. Ripple Labs and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission are still in court over the case that they are now involved in. CC has been a major focus for those who use XRP as a cryptocurrency. As it appears that the case is almost done, cryptocurrency market analysts such as Mikkel, a popular YouTuber, are analyzing the price of XRP to determine whether or not there are any indications that a move is going to occur in the near future. Consolidation, rule clarity, and examples drawn from the past are all needed. The most recent research conducted by Mikkel discovered that the trading of XRP followed a significant consolidation trend. This pattern, which typically indicates that the price of an asset is going to shift, is anticipated to reach a turning point around the time when the SEC v. The Ripple lawsuit is decided. There have been instances in the past where the price of XRP was influenced by clear restrictions. The ruling that judge analysts